quirky science wonders of the year. Part 1. Welcome to the first part of our journey through the year's most delightful and unexpected science stories. Imagine a world where plants that have been to the moon finally sprout, where rats have a secret sense of humor, and octopuses build their own underwater neighborhoods. Let's dive in. First up, we have the moon tree mystery. A team of NASA scientists and researchers from the University of Florida decided to see what would happen if they planted seeds that had traveled to the moon and back over 50 years ago. For about a year, these seeds were nurtured in a controlled environment. The result? They sprouted into healthy plants, proving that a trip to space doesn't stop nature from doing its thing. Next, let's talk about laughing rats. In a lab in Berlin, neuroscientists spent months tickling rats and recording their ultrasonic giggles. Yes, these little rodents actually laugh. They just do it at frequencies we can't hear without special equipment. It turns out even rats have a hidden sense of humor. Now, imagine an octopus city on the ocean floor. In the waters off Australia, marine biologists discovered octopuses building a little neighborhood of dens and pathways. Over 2 years of observation, they watched these clever creatures create their own little underwater community. And then there's the story of jellyfish in space. NASA researchers, working with marine biologists, sent jellyfish to space to see how they'd handle microgravity. When the jellyfish returned, they were a bit confused by Earth's gravity, like they had a case of jellyfish jet lag. Let's not forget about dancing bees. In California, entomologists discovered that bees have regional accents in their waggle dances. After a year of filming, they found that bees from different areas have unique dance dialects to communicate. Meanwhile, on the Galapagos Islands, biologists observed sneezing iguanas. They spent months watching marine iguanas sneeze out salt after their swims, and it turned into a funny little reptilian sneeze fest. Finally, meet the zombie plants from Kyoto University in Japan. These plants play dead when threatened, flopping over to avoid being eaten. After a year of study, scientists found that this zombie behavior is actually a clever survival trick. And that wraps up part 1 of our quirky science wonders.